Hello all, today I'm going to introduce a product called the 3M Foaming Car Interior Cleaner. So this can clean your car interior for any kind of dirts just like this. All you have to do is just spray this thing and clean it firmly with a cloth. So this is the product, the 3M Foaming Car Interior Cleaner. It is available in Amazon and I will provide the link in description. So let's jump on to how to apply this. Just shake the bottle before you use it and apply it like a spray onto the dirt inside the car interior. Now wait for the car interior material to absorb the foam. Once you think the foam is absorbed by the interior material, use a clean microfiber cloth and rub it over the foam. Clean it 1 or 2 times, apply more foam and clean it until you get the dirt completely removed. Yeah, this is the end result. So let's compare the before and after results of this product. You can see the difference, right?